by the climax of activities marking the 75th anniversary of the death of former Chicken in the late Nanase Ofuriata.
Osabarma ayekofi ayini fatao ayewa
statesmen, government functionaries and traditional rulers came in their numbers and converged on the forecourt of the Chicken's Palace for the celebration, which threw light on Achim Asante history. Achims are believed to have migrated from Adanse in Asante land to settle in their present location. This is the first time in many years that an Asantehin has set foot on Achim soil. Battles between the two sides in the 17th century are believed to have divided them along military lines. Rival of the Asantehin is a show of unity between the two Akan traditional families. Achim was the first to arrive in full regalia, mist pomp and pageantry. There was a rival Asante Utumfo Setutu. He was in a 1935 traditional club won by the then Asante Nana Ajima Prempe during the Asanteman unity talks. Otumfo Setutu was accompanied by a retinue including 20 paramount chiefs and hundreds of sub-chiefs. He was received by the gathering in a symbolic fashion.
Ashanti Confederacy, Ahunfa of Fire, Tressa and Kabomu, Anona Otumfo, Ade appear.
Asante Otumfo said to thank the Ochehin for inviting him. He acknowledged the role the then Ochehin played in uniting the Asantes. Otumfo said to downplay the seeming rivalry between the Asantes and Achims.
Asante ni Achim, Asembia ni ho. Zom. Yedin kutahuara abapimne. Zom. Ononso wampa menshiada. Zom. Ononso ofanso woko hina obe sede minu aka eno woko osiha woko nkran wagina ha na di nkomo ansa anwa. Zom. Sara na minu apoko anso beto aso. Zom. Anu na ase ne se. Zom. Ya ye kasa Achim. Ye nyina refri adanse ne ba ha. Zom. Ye free ba biara. Ye free adanse na kwantuo mu ane ba. Zom. Amwati apanyi woni ekuma ofri kuma wono so kotra ekuapi mo chechireye. Zom. Ye ka de a e wonam nya obiri konfo. Zom. E wonam nya asase de obiri konfo ma minya sikadwa.
Amwati Ofuripeni also thanked the Otumfo for honoring his invitation. He said what exists between them is love and brotherliness.
Ano frata ye kana sem na suko hu hia ne yie. Uye no fiwa. Me nua na no se tutu. Obedi ade ne anebota ne de ne se obeye educational fund. Na wama sebi ehiafo a woni bi atumi akọ school. Sana ye man panyin ono nso odi sa free SHS baaye se omo hia ensi obi akwan so obesua de no kra no waye na bia sebi on ti ase eto hompe na enso ogina pintin so kwan bia so ne bota si nanim se obe na kwada bia sua de na ngoma de ko utrim a obi antumi nyimfi utrim nti ebona baso ne abora no se tutu so abaso na nuado a eda entem ehuhia.
Nassau Ofuriata is regarded as one of the pioneers in the field of education and development in Abuakwa and Ghana. He was born in 1881 and became chief of Achim Abuakwa in 1912, a position he occupied until 1943. As one of the few educated chiefs in the then Gold Coast, Nana's role in both traditional affairs and national politics of the then colony was very prominent. Some of his many achievements include being the first traditional ruler to establish the Abuakwa Scholars Fund and the first government trade school as well as the Abuakwa State College.